it's Maymay and welcome to the Product Parade channel. And today I'm going to show you how to use this calendar. This is our large never-ending calendar and this is our small version. Now mine is in our old packaging, this is our new packaging, but this is the smaller version of the same stamp. I'm going to show you today how to use it to do 2 months and the rest work exactly the same, and I'm going to be using the larger one. So we gave you two, or we gave you the option because we're giving you one sort of font here, but then on this one we're giving you 2 different fonts, and this calendar will make a much bigger calendar. See the difference in size? This one goes 2 whole columns bigger than this one. So if you want to make smaller calendars, you can do it here. And if you want to make bigger calendars, you can do it here. Now in the description below, I'm going to link 2 videos where I've used this stamp set to make 2 different projects so you can see them. So for now, let me show you how to stamp using this big guy. So just to show you how the never-ending calendar sets work, the large one and the small one work the same. What you want to do is you want to ink up the days of the week first. And the days of the week are always the same on the calendar, obviously, and you want to stamp that down. Now, I have found for me, if I stamp it upside down closer to me, I can line it up better. When I try to line it up at the top of the page, when I can't get over the top, it messes with me. So I just stamp it upside down and then turn it right way up. So you do that every how many times you want to make a calendar month, usually 12 times. Then you're going to go to this guy. Now what you have to know is what day of the week the month starts on. So for example, January the 1st of 2019 starts on Tuesday. So what you'll do is you want to ink the first, okay, I'm going to lay it this way so you can see it. So there's Tuesday, okay. So what I need to ink here is Tuesday the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and then I need to ink 6 and 7 over here. So you ink a section of the stamp, and that's what makes it work. So let me show you what I mean. I'm going to go 1 through 5, then I'm going to come back and do 7 and 6. So I'm going to flip this over, and I'm right here, I'm going to ink 1 through 5, just like that. And then I'm going to come back on this side and get 7 and 6. So that's all of the numbers that I need. Now, how many days are in January? Let me look on the calendar. I happen to have one open. There are 31. So that means I need all the way through 31. If I didn't need 31, I'd just take a baby wipe and clean the ink off, or just don't ink it at all. Then you just line this up underneath the days of the week, just like so. And now I have January stamped, okay? So this is January, the 1st through the 31st. The 31st ends on a Thursday. The 1st starts on a Tuesday, and that's how you do it. I'll show you the rest of them as well, but you just move the ink down on the stamp as you go. Let's do February. So I've got my stamp here. I'm going to look up how many days and when it starts. Okay, so February starts on Friday. So I'm going to hover this guy over. I'm using my little press, right? So I need to ink up 1, and then I need to go to the right and do 2 for Saturday. But then I need to come down here and do 3. So when I flip this over, okay, I need to do 1 and 2 and then go down here to 3. So here's the thing. I also don't need the 29th. So I'm going to take a piece of tape and I'm just going to put it over the number 29 so I don't ink it. And I'm going to put it over the number 31 so I don't accidentally ink it either. You can wipe this away after you get the ink on it. That's not a big deal. I just find it's easier to do this and then just lift it up. All right, so I need to do, I'm going to check it again. I like to check again. I need to do 1 and 2 and then down to 3. Okay, so it's 1 and 2. Okay, do the middle. And I'm going to turn it around and go to 3, which is here. Perfect. Got you all inked up. Check all my numbers. Turn this around. I'm going to remove the parts that I didn't need. Here and here. Don't forget these. Ask me how I know. You'll have big old blobs. Oh, I didn't do 30. I didn't cover up 30, so watch this. I'm just going to wipe it off. So you can do either way. Okay? And then we will stamp it down. Right like this. Line up the 1st and Saturday. Just line them up like that and then press. And there we go. That is February. Okay, so that's it. That's how you use them. And they work the same way. You just make sure you stamp the days of the week and then looking on the calendar, like on your computer or on your phone, find out what day is the 1st and you line it up under the day and you only ink up the numbers that you need. You can mask off your 30 and 31, or you can just wipe it off with a wet wipe while you're stamping. So there you go, guys. Never ending. This is large never ending calendar and never ending calendar. If you want to pick those up, we'll also have those linked below for you as well. Thanks so much for watching. Talk to you again real soon. Bye-bye.